Chapter 8: Leveraging Instagram Stories and Reels. Instagram Stories and Reels are powerful tools for engaging your audience, increasing visibility, and driving interaction. These features allow brands to connect more dynamically, create authentic content, and reach new audiences. Understanding Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories are short, vertical posts that disappear after 24 hours. They appear at the top of users' feeds, providing high visibility and encouraging quick engagement. Ephemeral content. Stories create urgency, making them ideal for limited-time offers, flash sales, or exclusive announcements. Interactive features. Use polls, questions, and quizzes to boost engagement and gather insights directly from your audience. Story highlights. Save your best stories as highlights on your profile, allowing followers to access important content even after it disappears. Strategies for effective Instagram stories. Show behind-the-scenes content. Share a more personal, behind-the-scenes look at your brand to build deeper connections. Use interactive tools, leverage polls, question stickers, and quizzes to encourage participation and keep your audience engaged. Include clear calls to action. CTAs guide viewers to take specific actions, like swipe up, visit profile, or DM for more info. Feature user-generated content. Repost content created by your followers to build community and social proof. Understanding Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels are short, engaging videos, up to 90 seconds, that are ideal for reaching new audiences and creating viral content. Reels are featured on the Explore page, increasing the chance of being discovered by non-followers. Discoverability. Reels are heavily promoted by Instagram, making them effective for expanding reach. Creative tools. Utilize music, AR effects, text overlays, and speed adjustments to create engaging and visually appealing videos. Shareability. Reels can be easily shared across stories, DMs, and other reels, increasing their reach and engagement potential. Strategies for effective reels. Jump on trends, participate in trending challenges, or use popular audio to increase visibility. Educate and inform. Share quick tips, tutorials, or industry insights that provide value to viewers. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with creators to reach their audience and boost credibility. Keep it fun and engaging. Use humor, catchy music, and dynamic visuals to make your reels entertaining. Measuring success. Track metrics like reach, impressions, engagement, likes, comments, shares, saves, and completion rates to gauge the effectiveness of your stories and reels. Use these insights to refine your content strategy and maximize impact. Instagram Stories and Reels offer dynamic ways to engage your audience and grow your brand's presence. By creating interactive, authentic content and leveraging Instagram's features, you can boost visibility, engagement, and drive meaningful results.